Chapter 6. A New Land. I want to go north, but a strong wind moves the boat to the east for 5 days. On the 6th day, I see land. My boat moves in that direction. Soon the boat stops moving. I get out of the boat and walk to the land. The trees are very tall. I can't see the top of the trees. Then I walk through a field of very tall grass. Suddenly, I hear a loud noise, and I see an enormous farmer. I'm scared, and I hide in the grass. He's enormous, I think. When I move, the farmer sees me. He takes me in his hands and puts me next to his face. He has an ugly face, I think. The farmer puts me in his pocket and takes me to his house. The farmer puts me on a very high table in the kitchen. Then he speaks to his family in a strange language. The farmer's children look at me. The farmer's wife is fascinated. I smile and say hello. I'm Gulliver. It's nice to meet you, I say. The farmer's wife smiles and brings me some meat on a big plate. I stand on the plate and start to eat. The children laugh loudly, and I put my hands over my ears. The farmer brings his baby to the table. The baby takes me in his hand and puts me in his mouth. I shout loudly, and the baby is scared. I fall from his hands into a bowl of milk. I swim around and around in the milk. The farmer laughs, takes my leg, and pulls me out of the bowl. "Stop this! Put me on the table!" I shout. I'm very tired, and I want to be alone. The farmer's daughter, Gimbella, is 9 years old. She's very nice. She puts me in a doll's bed and puts a blanket over me. The bed is high, and I can't get out of it. Soon, I go to sleep. The next morning, the farmer's son comes into the room. He has a boat in his hand. It's my boat. Suddenly, the boat falls to the floor, and it breaks into many pieces. Now I can't go home. I'm very sad. Chapter 7. Life